Being able to have good number recognition skills is one important factor when starting school. This craft is key to recognizing and comparing numbers and also allows kids the ability to move about. You need colorful Post-it notes, a sharpie, painter's tape, scissors, and banner paper. Start by putting dot quantities in sections on the paper. Write the numeral for each dot quantity on a Post-it note. Tape the paper to the wall and place the notes on the side of the paper and have your kids count and match. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.